Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Gameloop. If you don't know what it is a Android emulator for mobile games. Gameloop is an Android emulator and gaming platform. The gaming utility tool allows you to play games published by Tencent and other mobile games on your PC. At the same time, you can use it for discover, download and play popular Android games. Allows you to install games such as Call of Duty, PUBG, Clash of Clans and Clash Royale. So let's download this Gameloop for PC. Click this green button, download latest version. Just click on it, wait for a few seconds. It will pop up in front of you, or it is downloading in Chrome. Okay, as you can see, it is only 9 MB. So wait for a few seconds and we will install this on the PC. Just click here, click yes, and you will see this. Okay, and then after that just click on install. So it is installing. It will take time and I will come back after when it's finished. As you guys can see, it is complete, I think. So let's click on start. So now this is installing here, installing Turbo O engine. Oh, it's a game. It is installing a game automatically. Okay, as you guys can see, and you can guys just download these games and play on computer, Android games on computer. That's a good one. I will try it later. So it is done. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.